To add an invoice from an order you generated in Whisk, click Orders, then Purchase Orders. You'll then see a list of your purchase orders. For each purchase order, you'll see the name of the distributor, the total value, the date it was generated, the email sent status, if you emailed the order to the distributor, and then the invoice status. In this case, we're interested in any purchase orders that are showing as not received. You can use the toggles along the top to find any pending purchase orders, meaning the invoice hasn't been added yet. To add the invoice, click the Details button beside a purchase order. In the Order window, click Actions, then Generate Invoice. You'll then need to select an area where the items from the invoice were added. If items were put into multiple areas, just select the most applicable one. In this case, we'll choose the stockroom. You can also add the invoice number and total, and then enter the date and time. By default, it populates with the current date and time, but if you need to backdate the invoice, you can click the Date field to adjust. This time should reflect when the items from the invoice were unboxed and placed with your other stock. Then click OK. You'll receive a message saying the invoice was generated. Then click View Invoice. When you've converted the order into an invoice, make sure that the information matches the paper invoice that you received. You can adjust the units and the cost for each item. For example, if you ordered 3 units of this item and only received 2, you can make the change by clicking the Units field and putting the new amount, and the total then updates. If the price of an item changed, you can click in here and change the value so that it matches the paper invoice. If you didn't receive an item at all, you can click the arrow beside the item and click Remove. You can always view the original purchase order by clicking the link here if you need to refer back to it. Once everything looks good, you can close the window. You're then prompted if you'd like to send a confirmation email about the invoice being added. You can then close the order window. You'll then see on the purchase orders screen that the status of the order shows as received, and the invoice appears on your Invoices/Returns page.